Ever feel like your fitness routine has hit a plateau? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll dive into advanced strategies that could be the game changer you need. Welcome to FUNDRAISINGCUP.org Healthy Lifestyle, where we explore tips to elevate your health journey. In this episode, we'll uncover cutting-edge strategies to boost your fitness results. To continuously progress, gradually increase the weight, frequency, or number of reps in your workouts. This method challenges your muscles, promoting growth and strength. Incorporate HIIT to burn more calories in less time. Alternate between intense bursts of activity and short recovery periods to maximize cardio benefits. Focus on the muscles you're working. This mental engagement can improve your form and increase the effectiveness of your exercises. Fuel your body strategically. Eating the right nutrients before and after workouts can enhance performance and recovery. These advanced strategies can transform your fitness journey. Try them out and see how they work for you. For more tips, subscribe to FUNDRAISINGCUP.org Healthy Lifestyle.